If you think virtual reality has hit a brick wall, or if you believe standalone headsets are permanently trapped in a compromise of bulky designs, mediocre battery life, and blurry lenses, what you are about to discover regarding the upcoming Meta Quest 4 will completely shatter your expectations. For months, confidential internal roadmaps, supply chain leaks from component manufacturers, and direct statements from Meta leadership have pointed to a single undeniable truth. Meta is not just building a successor to the Quest 3. They are completely redefining what spatial computing can be. And if you are wondering whether to buy a headset right now or wait for the next great leap, every single detail you are about to hear matters. Let's address the elephant in the room immediately. For years, critics have loved to dismiss virtual and mixed reality as a passing tech fad, pointing to heavy headsets that leave red marks on your face or battery lives that barely stretch past 2 hours. But when you look at the engineering blueprints and hardware timelines surrounding the project codenamed Griffin, the architecture powering the next flagship Meta Quest 4, you realize Meta has taken those exact criticisms and launched an all-out engineering war against them. To understand why this headset is causing such massive ripples across the tech industry, you have to look straight at the core of the machine. The transition to custom next-generation silicon. While the Quest series has relied on modified mobile chips, the hardware configuration slated for the Quest 4 is built from the ground up to handle hyperdense, mixed reality calculations and local artificial intelligence without breaking a sweat. We are looking at a monumental leap in GPU and CPU throughput that closes the gap faster than ever between standalone mobile VR and high-end tethered PC VR rigs. What does that actually mean when you put the headset on? It means virtual environments that render with photorealistic fidelity, complex physics simulations that run without a single dropped frame, and mixed reality pass-through so crisp, vibrant, and distortion-free that it genuinely feels like looking through transparent glass at the real world. The days of grainy, washed-out pass-through video are officially numbered. Speaking of visual clarity, let's talk about the display technology, because this is where Meta is leaving previous generations completely in the dust. Industry leaks from display panel manufacturers indicate that Meta is moving away from standard LCD panels and stepping into ultra-high-resolution 4K micro-OLED architecture. Pause for a moment and let that sink into your field of view. Micro-OLED means pitch-black contrast levels, eye-popping color vibrancy, and pixel densities so high that the dreaded screen door effect is completely eradicated. Text is razor-sharp. Dark scenes in horror games actually look dark instead of washed-out gray, and watching cinematic movies inside a virtual theater feels indistinguishable from a real IMAX screen. Backing up those elite visual panels is another massive quality-of-life upgrade that power users have begged for since day one. Native eye tracking and face tracking hardware coming standard out of the box. No more expensive external accessories or stripped-down iterations. By integrating precise eye and face tracking directly into the core system, the Quest 4 unlocks advanced foveated rendering, meaning the headset only renders at maximum resolution precisely where your eyes are looking, drastically saving processing power while maximizing visual fidelity. Furthermore, your digital avatars and social interactions in virtual spaces will finally capture genuine